Hi, hope that you guys are okay. You're fine. Also, me, I'm fine. I'm grateful. Just another new day, a new down in the liberators movement. That we woke up with another plan, and our plan always resurfaces on the less fortunate people, those hopeless people. Those are the people we dream of. Those are the people we always talk about. Those are the people that we always mind because no one cares for them, no one checks on them, no one responds on their issues. And that's why we created the Liberators Movement, so that we can look upon their misfortunes, their troubles. Today I wanted to talk about those kids that have been neglected by the society. From my village, I come from Western Kenya, Viga County, to be precise. From where I come from, and from the look of things, the way I've been seeing things trending on the ground, when you have a kid who can't talk, you never educate the kid. The society doesn't educate the kids that are not talking. The society does not educate kids who have some cerebral impulse. You may find that the kid is hyper. So the society feels that, most families feel that when they take such a kid to the school is a waste. It's very unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. And this is the debate that we've had last night in our group of the Liberators, in our coordination group, WhatsApp coordination group. We held this discussion and we came across a situation whereby someone has a kid but they can't take the kid to school. It's very unfortunate. We highlighted those things. They have made those kids not to be public to the not to be public to the society. They have made kids even feel like they are not wanted. So we may find that those kids are barred actually from seeing the light. They are just abandoned in their rooms. They are feeding them from the room. In fact, most of them even neglect those kids. Why are we doing such kind of thing? You may find that a kid actually is handcuffed in one or the other. You see? So you'll find that even a family does not consider such a kid. They say that it's a curse, it's a taboo. No. We the liberators are addressing that kind of a thing. It's not wise to hide your kid. It's not wise. Please, those who are listening to this clip, it's very unfortunate that we are living in 21st century, but we are hiding our kids. Despite the situation that kid is in, that kid is a blessing from God. God gave you that kid with a reason. And God gave you that kid with a reason. Trust me. God gave you that kid with a reason. Maybe that kid can be a ladder into a life. Maybe that kid can make you sail miles and miles away. But when you're hiding such kind of a kid, what do you want? When you're hiding that kid, what do you want? What do you expect in life? Is it safe? Is it making you safe? No. Let's not play dumb. These are the things that are affecting us as a society. You see? It's upon us that now Liberators will be doing some research on those kids and sensitizing parents to bring those kids on Rimlight. Even we are praying to God, if we get well wishes, if we get well wishes, we'll find a place whereby you can accommodate those kids. We'll find a place where you can accommodate those handicapped, those kids with cerebral impulse, those kids with hyper, those kids who are neglected. We want them. We will train most of them in short-term courses so that we can transform them into being productive in the society. Trust me, these kids can be productive. These kids can be productive if we can decide to nurture them. Nothing is hard. Nothing is hard. We are praying to God to guide us and to grant us donors. We only want donors. If we can get donors, I believe if we can get donors, we can try and live to impact a change in our society. Please, it's not too late, guys. Whatever you have, you can donate to us. You can donate to our movement of the Liberators Movement. You can donate to us so that we can help the less fortunate in the society. Please, I beg you, if you feel touched, if you feel that you have something, clothes, it can be clothes, it can be food, anything that you may feel that you have that you wish to donate, please, we highly accept anything. We don't segregate on anything. We accept anything. As long as that thing that you're donating is from your heart, then we won't restrict you from donating it. Please, guys, last with us. We really want to impact change in our society. Our donation kick starts on 20th this month, and we are going to reach out to so many families, but we are short of help. Please, if you feel touched, kindly stand with us. If you feel touched, kindly stand with us. You may not join our group, but you may donate whatever you may have. If you feel like you can donate, this is the number to donate on: 07 58 50 3209. 58 50 3209. If you feel that you are in touch and you feel you can donate anything, and if you are in Nairobi and you want to donate clothes, please liaise with me. I'll move even close to your door and collect those clothes. Nothing is hard. You can donate anything that you wish like. You can give anything that you wish like. If you have food, if you have beddings, mattress, bed, blankets that are still in good condition and you feel like you want to donate, please link with us. We'll come and for those things. In fact, most of us, we have neglected our life. We've decided to live a dream of helping less fortunate in the society. And we believe the good God who lives will never abandon us. Will always be with us. So please, it's not too late, guys. You can help us donate anything that you may have. You may help give out anything that you may have. You feel touched, let's actually stand with the less fortunate in the society. Our donation goes on from one house to another. We does home donations. We don't just assemble one people at one place, no. Because the reason of why we're doing this, we want to know the situation that each person lives, so that if there may be any kind of help that they may be that they may want to be given, then we'll guarantee them, because we'll know the condition of the life that they are living. Please help us reach to these fortunate families, I beg you, and together we can live to impact change in our society. Big up. God bless you guys. Thanks.